So let's move into moving average, right? Again, a very interesting one and very powerful too. So the exercise that we have is talk about moving average. Okay, very simple: 200, 50, and 100. All right. So we go back to our screener, reset it. Okay, we go to moving average. What we are trying to do is we are comparing simple moving average where the price is above 50 moving average and it's above 100 and it's above 200. Run the screener, you'll find that these are the stocks which are above all the three moving average. So price is above 50, this thing, right? Now, one of the things that differentiate us with a lot of other things is that whatever the filter that you choose, the values automatically come here, right? So that you don't have to look at this, go back and look at the other set of values. That's number one. Number two is what you can do is you can just go in the charts and all the three index will be plotted together. If you feel that there's certain things more you can do, more you want to add to, so first filter is this. The second thing is, let's say you are looking at relative strength, right? Since we are talking about RSI, we'll go here at RSI, right? So you can draw further things on this. You want to change it to candlestick, you change it to candlestick, right? So these many options are here. Now, having done so much of work on this, right? And then when you go to the next stock, you don't want to do the same work, right? So when you go from ACC to Adani, right? So the settings that you have done is retained here. Right? Candlestick is retained, relative strength is retained, and same like other things. So it saves a lot of your time. First of all, you get the charts. Number two, you get the values right here. You can export it for future purpose that we discussed. Right? So that's how some of the other features also I thought of sharing right here. Right? So that is strategy number one on moving average. Strategy number two, price within 5% of 74 and 53 MA. So you can close from here or you can close from here. Right? Price within 5% of 73 and price within 5% of, I mean, just does it make sense or not? I don't know. But the idea is to give you more exposure to the product. Right, guys, one thing we very consciously and work on is to have a 400 to 500 milliseconds. That's our internal target for any of the screeners, whether it is custom screener or regular screener. Right, and we have achieved more than 90% of the screeners come in less than 1 second using a normal connection. Right, we are having certain trouble with our router. That's why you see some of the lags here. But we believe that you'll not have those lags in your system. So what we have done is we have found stocks within 5% of 73 and 54-day moving average. So when you look at this, right? So it is in a very small range with that. Now, does it make sense? Not too much, but it will make better sense if you're looking at the price above a smaller moving average and a less than larger moving average. It will give you an idea that where the stock could be moving. Right? And if it is within a certain moving average, right, it's likely to cross. So that can be a good stock for your watch list. What else we have in this thing? Trending SMA 50 and 15. SMA trending for 15 days. All right. Now, if you are looking at what we have seen is price and volume trending before, but if you want to see that moving average also trending up, right? So what you can do is 15 and 50, right, Mayor? Yeah, 15 and 50 for 50 days. 50 days. So when you run the screener, you'll find that these are basically what we have selected is 15 SMA, right? Trending for at least 15 days. That means 15-day SMA is continuously going up for minimum 15 days. Add 50 here. you'll find that 18 stocks matching in this criteria where both 15 and 50 MA trending upwards, right? So it's likely to give good support if moving average is trending upwards and the price has not breached. That gives you general direction. Moving average gives you a lot of information. This is one of those things. All right. So I hope that covers pretty much on moving average. Maybe bullish crossover. Okay, price cross above this and 15. Okay. So price cross above 82. So why 82 is here? Not that it's something which we like. It's just to give you an idea that you can choose a lot of moving average. So price cross above 82 moving average, right? So so these stocks are crossing above 82 moving average, right? Price crossing above 82 moving average. Right? So that's how you can do. The next in the series is 50 and 200. So we'll go with a bullish crossover. Right? So you can choose between two MAs, 50 EMA crossing above 200 EMA. Right? So 50 is crossing above 200. Right? 50 is just crossed above 200. So it tells you the change in the general trend. So it was a pretty flattish here. Once the crossover, a lot of people depend on this for basically slightly medium to long term positions. What else we have here? So some of the exercises are here. I think that we've got a pretty good idea about the moving average. We've seen crossovers, we have seen trending, we have seen price moving average, a lot of comparisons.